You need to hear this if you're a poultry farmer. Ready to up your biosecurity game in 2025? Let's get started. 1. Clean daily. Remove manure, litter and waste. Disinfect tools, feeders and waterers, EPA approved only. 1. Sanitize hands and boots. Foot baths at every entrance, hand sanitizers or wash stations non-negotiable. 1. Use farm-dedicated tools and clean before and after every use. No sharing between barns. 1. Limit access. Only trained staff allowed. Log every visitor. Clean coveralls, farm boots and hair cover mandatory. 1. Quarantine new birds, 30 days, monitor daily. Sick birds, isolate fast, 1. Pest and wildlife control them. Block wild birds and rodents, keep a 3-meter buffer, no trash, no tall grass. 1. Smart vaccination plans. Store vaccines cold, track every shot. 2. Record everything. Health feed, water, eggs daily. Audit every 3-6 months. Follow these to keep your flock safe in 2025. Like and share for more poultry tips.